we doing today? We're gonna unmold this, okay? This ugly soap here, but before we do that, we gotta put on our glove, okay? Do a pH test on this. So just gonna take this off first. It's the top piece, unwasted. So the turmeric powder hasn't gone through yet. So this the color, it's not good. So turmeric definitely not worked here. It's yellowish, but okay, that's enough room there. Let's do a pH test. Distilled water. Okay, we have around 9 or 10, greenish. Okay, safe level. Okay, pH test is just an indicator. It's not the perfect indicator, but we show you if it's safe or not in the safe range of the pH. Let me scrap this off. Or do a ladder test for you guys later on as well, because we have all this scrap here. Hot. Good sign there, ready? 100% olive oil soap. The turmeric coloring. I'm not sure this coloring or is the true natural of the olive oil. Either way, I like this the subtle look, not as bold and bright like turmeric, right? When it's first poured out, it's red. So when it starts to cool, they come like this. Interesting, anyway. Interesting experiment. Should pop out easily. Hot. So this is roughly 24 hours later. So then get a knife. So let's cut to 2.5. Ooh. Yeah, very hard to cut, guys. So 24 hours is no good. You can't leave it for 24 hours. Look, it's make a indentation here, really. So that's the color. Very hard to cut through. I use a knife, yeah. It's falling apart there. Let's switch it around. Yeah, who said olive 100% olive oil is soft? Hard like rock. Hard like rock. Hard to cut that. So definitely with the water discount, I reckon like, 12 hours. 12 hours in, otherwise you get too hard of a soap. Really have to push down. Seriously, guys. Who said olive oil is soft? Well, this cow definitely have to cut it within 8 to 12 hours. Otherwise it becomes too hard. So it's with a knife, guys. Come on. So this warm process definitely works. Warm process. Initially, I was gonna cut it around like 6 hours, but my mom spilled she moved the esky that I put in. I thought I'll wait for overnight and see what happened. And this is what happened. It's pretty damn hard to cut. That's what happened. But it's a learning experience anyway, so nothing to complain about. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 2 more. 10 each there, 2.5. Finally, 10. Not the prettiest, because we lost some of the batter from my mom moving it. Let me check the weight. So we have 10 there. 8971. So we lost around 10 gram, roughly 10 gram. That's all right. No drama done. No harm done. So olive oil. Damn. 24 hours in. Pretty hard to cut. I need to use a Chinese cleaver to cut it. Why it was more like this? Because I lost some 100 batter because my mom moved it halfway through the curing process, the saponification process. Yeah, but there you go. Hard as a rock. Okay, let me move aside. I'll do a ladder test for you guys with this crumb here. So all this here. But rebatch it, don't waste it. Take this off, so we'll do a ladder test for you guys. Just one piece there. So remember, this is 24 hours later, roughly. Okay. Maybe 20 hours later, 20, 22 hours later. Oh, look at this, it's not too bad. Still properly. There you go. It's not too bad at all, look. Gotta wait, gotta kill this for 1 month to 2 months. Okay, I'll test out after 1 month and see how it goes. Okay, because apparently after 1 month it should become milder, and because we use a water discount. Okay, so it's definitely not like your normal soap, right? Not merely bubbling, but it's feel still very slimy. So apparently, what people suggest is you use a soap bag to use olive oil, and apparently it's help with the bubbles and all that stuff. But I haven't tried it yet. I'll wait for this cute and we go from there. I'll see you next time with another video.